I'm Doug Carlberg. I'm President and CEO of M2 Global Technology here in San Antonio. We're a defense contractor. We have two divisions. We have one that does microwave components and subsystems for radar systems and communication systems. And we have another division that does aerospace parts. Our biggest customer is Lockheed Martin on the Joint Strike Fighter, the F-35. And our second biggest customer in that division is Bell Helicopter on a number of their platforms, including the Osprey, the V-22.
Great. Well,
Okay.
So we're here today at the Manufacturing Association show, the trade show, and what we would like to do is kind of talk about a little about SAMA itself. How has it helped you? I know you've been a part of it for a long time, and what's some of the stuff that's really helped you in your business?
Well, I got hired and came into San Antonio a number of years ago to turn around a division for Harris Corporation. And as I was coming in, I was looking for organizations that I could use to help train and benchmark and find other really very competent suppliers. And I get connected with SAMA. And all of a sudden I'm saying, this is a great value proposition. Great networking opportunities, get a chance to go to SIGs, special interest group meetings, luncheons with great speakers, and other training programs such as their HR program, as an example, their environmental seminars that they have.
Right.
So I'm involved quite a bit with it, and my team is. So what we do is we send a number of our staff to all the events that we can that make sense.
Okay, because they have a continuing education, they have factory tours, plant tours.
And matter of fact, we're doing a plant tour next week for the San Antonio Manufacturers Association to really try to recruit more aerospace companies into SAMA.
Wow.
Because it is a growth industry here in San Antonio. With the Port Authority of San Antonio coming up right now, there's a lot of great property over there, and there's great opportunities at Brook City base.
Okay.
So it's a good recruiting tool, and it's a great opportunity for me to network people in my industry.
Yeah, all in one location.
In one
So,
location.
Yeah,
It really
that's
is.
great. So how long have you been in manufacturing?
Well, I started off and I graduated with a degree in mechanical engineering and aeronautical engineering. I had two engineering degrees, and I ended up working for a company called General Electric Company.
Oh, yeah.
In their engineering thing, and I developed a piece of equipment for them, and I was really pretty proud on it until my boss says, it's not quite working the way it should be. You need to go down and fix it in manufacturing. I got into manufacturing down there, and then I applied for their manufacturing training program and their management training program. And I've been in manufacturing ever since.
Wow.
So it's
at least a decade.
Well, it's like anything else. Every day is a brand new day. It's a great challenge. I love new technology, and I love trying to figure out how to do things better.
Yeah.
And this whole lean initiative on lean manufacturing is how you get there. It's how you compete.
So you've seen a lot of happen over the years.
Oh, yeah.
So technology plays a bigger role. Is it?
And today, a lot of people think manufacturing is like the smokestack industry, like our grandfathers were in.
Yeah.
It's not. It's very high tech, and a lot of people think that everybody has to have a degree. Well, there are a lot of high-paying jobs in manufacturing that pay really high wages that require, you have to have science and math to be successful on it, because there is blueprint reading, and you've got to calculate speeds and feeds, you've got to be able to measure parts, and you've got to be able to program some of these high-tech equipment. But they really pay well.
Great.
And we've had a number of people start off as an entry-level position and work all the way up into the organization, even into management.
So do you think there's enough room in the market for if I wanted to start my own manufacturing company? Is there a lot of
Well, it's a great time to do it, because there are a lot of people, in the downturn of the economy here, the last probably, things just picked up here in the last 2 years. Prior to that, the economy was really slow, and a lot of people got out of manufacturing.
Okay.
Mainly because it wasn't there. But with the push right now of bringing work back to America, and with the uptick in the economy, my biggest problem right now is just hiring people.
Wow.
I'm buying new equipment, I'm putting technology in. Right now, we're out recruiting, trying to get people in with the right skill set.
Great. Well, we're almost out of time. Can you just share maybe half a minute on your event tomorrow that you're going to be?
Oh, tomorrow. I'm also a volunteer for the Association of Manufacturing Excellence. And we have a summit here in San Antonio tomorrow, really on the next generation worker. So we have Goodyear Racing Tire coming in and talking about how they onboard new employees.
Wow.
And Goodyear Racing Tire is the one that do the Formula One racing and also the NASCAR racing.
Sure.
The
Yeah.
tires, really high-tech type stuff.
So will that be, when does that start? Tomorrow at?
It starts tomorrow at 8 o'clock at the Hyatt downtown.
Okay. So if I'm a manufacturer, it'd be a good place for me to be?
And there's still open registration available.
Okay.
You can register at ame.org to do it.
AME.org, okay.
And we also have Newport News Shipbuilding coming in talking about their apprentice program. That's where they make the aircraft carrier,
Wow.
nuclear submarines. They currently have 4,000 openings through their program
Wow.
that they've got right now. So
Yeah.
their apprentice program directors coming in talking to us about it. And then we have Toyota of Texas coming in about their T10 program
Wow.
and how they train technicians.
That's great.
So it's going to be a great program. And the next day we go over to St. Philip's College and Alamo Academies over there at the Port Authority
Yeah.
and talk about their trades training over there or even their associate degree in manufacturing.
Okay, well, awesome.
Well, thank you for this
Thank you.
opportunity to talk to you guys.
Yeah.
This was great.
Okay, perfect.
you.
Thank you.